Okay, be honest. How many hours did you scroll today? One, two, or more? And yet, you're here because deep down you want a life so fun, so focused that your phone doesn't even tempt you anymore. So let's make that happen. This video is not about quitting scrolling, it's about building a life so exciting that scrolling feels boring. Sounds impossible, right? Well, stick with me. By the end of this, you'll know what no one else is telling you. First of all, let's stop blaming social media. Your phone, your apps, they're just tools. The real reason you scroll is because you're bored, you're lost in autopilot, and you're craving dopamine. And no, it's not because you're lazy, it's because your daily life is not designed to excite your brain. If your days are filled with the same routine, wake up, school, homework, doom scroll, sleep, your brain will seek excitement wherever it can. And that means reels, shorts, and endless feeds. So, how do we design a day that's fun, that makes you jump out of your bed and forget your phone exists? Let's figure that out. Number 1. Start your day with a micro win. Every morning, do one small thing that gives you a win before the world even starts pulling at you. Maybe it's 10 push ups, writing 3 goals in a notebook, or even waking up at the time you decided without snoozing off your alarm. Why? Because small wins create momentum, and momentum kills boredom. Number 2. Gamify your to-do list. Turn your task into points. For example, finish math homework plus 10, study bio for 30 minutes plus 15, avoided doom scrolling plus 20. Set a weekly score goal and reward yourself when you hit it. Why? Because your brain loves progress bars more than it loves scrolling. Use that. Number 3. Micro adventures every single day. This is the secret no one tells you. Every day, plan one thing that excites you. It can be tiny. Try a new walking route, journal on your rooftop, build a mini side hustle, sketch, dance, learn 5 new words in another language. The key? Break the monotony. Your brain will start craving these real experiences more than the fake ones on a screen. Number 4. The 5-minute boredom rule. Whenever you feel like picking up your phone, tell yourself, okay, but first I'll do 5 minutes of this or that. It may be reading, sketching, or stretching. Most of the time, you'll forget about your phones completely. Number 5. Design your environment for success. Leave your phone in another room when you study. Keep your desk clean and inspiring. Create a playlist that hypes you up. Imagine this, you wake up excited, you study, win small battles, have micro fun adventures, and build skills. At the end of the day, you look back and think, I didn't even need my phone today. I actually lived. And that's how you stop scrolling, by making real life more fun than your feed. Ready for the next step? Watch my video on how to study after school when you're tired, because energy management is the real secret to staying consistent. Till then, keep hustling.